Owning homes in more than one state can complicate your estate planning. Different states have unique tax rules, which might impact your estate significantly. Unlike federal estate taxes that apply universally, state taxes vary. Some states impose no estate taxes, while others could have both estate and inheritance taxes. For example, living in a state without estate taxes like Florida doesn't exempt you from estate taxes on properties in states like New York. Navigating these multiple tax regimes is crucial. Failing to do so can lead to your estate paying taxes in several states, reducing what you pass on to your heirs. Another estate planning issue to consider if you have residences in more than one state involves your powers of attorney, which names surrogate decision-makers for healthcare and financial matters, and your living will, also known as an advance directive, which details your instructions for end-of-life medical treatment preferences. What's accepted in one state might not be in another. And remember that regular reviews of your estate plan are essential to adapting to changes in state laws. Call Legacy Plan today at 844-445-3422.